Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into detailed comparison between two of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. These two flagships are packed with the innovation, so if you are torn between which one to choose, stick around to find out which one might be the perfect fit for you. We are going to the talking all about the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. We will go through everyone from the design and display to the camera and software. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one stand out. Let's go into it. Number 1. Design and quality. Let's start with the design and build quality. Something start always a big deal with you are paying top dollar for the flagship device. First up, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. This phone features a sleek and modern design with the smooth glass back and the aluminum frame that give it a premium feel. The device is a bit on the heavier side but still comfortable to hold. It's got a matte finish which help reduce fingerprints and smoke, keeping the phone looking clean. It's also rounded form factor, which make it ergonomic in a hand and the camera bump. It pronounced but not in the intensive. At the front, you will find a hole punch display for the front camera and it sport ultra cinema bezel. Now the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra take think of the notch with the elegant design. This phone uses Gorilla Glass on both the front and back, providing a sustaining gloss look but at the cost of attracting fingerprint. Its metallic finish is catching and the sharp edge give it a more futuristic wave. The Samsung design philosophy seems to embrace boldness with the large, more pronounced camera model, laser autofocus system, and the large display compared to the Pixel. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also includes a S Pen, making it unique among flagship. The weight of the device feel balanced, although it's a bit larger overall than the Pixel. In terms of design, both phones feel premium and offer unique aesthetics. If you prefer a slightly more subtle and redefined look, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might be for you, but if you want something that grab attention and come with the extra functionality like a S Pen, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has that edge. Number 2. Display. Next, talk display, one of the most important features when it comes to modern smartphone. Both these phones come with the absolutely stunning screen. Starting with the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, it comes with the 6.8-inch OLED display that offers a vibrant color, deep black, and excellent contrast. It's a QHD plus resolution with the 120 Hz refresh rate. So whether you are watching a video or scrolling throughout social media, the Pixel offers a smooth performance and amazing visual. Google has also improved color accuracy this year, which means the display is great for photo editing, gaming, and watching content, plus the high brightness ensure that it's readable in the direct sunlight. Now the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra kick this up the 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The large size might not be everyone, but for those who enjoy large screen, it's great. The display support QHD plus resolution and also offer 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, but it goes even further with the HDR10 plus support for ultra vibrant color and high dynamic range content. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has one of the most display of the market, offering intense brightness level that peak at over 1750 nits. This means it's incredible to read in bright outdoor conditions. So you are after share visual quality, the S25 Ultra is the winner in terms of display size, brighter and overall performance, but for users who prefer a slightly more compact phone with amazing color accuracy, the Pixel 9 Pro hold in this round. Number 3. Performance. Now let's talk about the performance. Both of these phones are equipped with the flagship level processor, but let's see how they stack up against each other. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by the Google Tensor G4 chip, which is especially designed by Google to optimize AI, machine learning, and performance tasks. This chip helps improve everything from voice recognition to computational photography, making the Pixel ideal for those who want a truly smartphone. In terms of raw power, the the Pixel 9 Pro XL is no slouch. It delivers smooth performance across the board. From gaming to multitasking, the best model comes with the 12GB of RAM, so you will have no issue keeping up running in the background. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor or Exynos 2400, depending on the region. This chip provides lightning fast speed, smooth multitasking, and top-tier gaming performance. With the 12GB or 16GB of RAM depending upon the variant, the S25 Ultra can handle anything you throw at it. Whether you are editing 4K video or playing the latest game at max setting, the Galaxy will breeze through it. When it comes to performance, both devices are capable of handling everything from heavy multitasking to high-end gaming. The S25 Ultra has edge when it comes to raw power, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL, it is a fantastic choice if you prefer a more integrated experience with its custom AI feature. Number 4. Camera. Let's get to the camera. The camera are the one of the most important aspect of the flagship phone. So how do these two compare? The Galaxy Pixel 9 Pro XL is about computational photography. It comes with the 50 megapixel primary sensor, a 48 ultra wide and a 48 telephoto lens for optical zoom. The standout feature here the Google image processing, making photo look natural with the perfect skin tone and amazing detail even in low light. Google Night Sight and Super Res Zoom are fantastic, and their AI make sure photo come out with the true to life color and great detail. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features 200 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 2 telephoto lens, and 10 megapixel periscope lens and 10 megapixel regular telephoto lens. For the versatile zoom optional, Samsung come excel in offering a high resolution shoot, and its specification zoom technology lets you zoom in up to 100x, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL is optimized for natural looking image. The S25 Ultra give you the more zoom power and deliver beautiful color reproduction. Both phones are fantastic photography, but the Pixel 9 Pro is more focused on the natural aesthetic, while the S25 Ultra takes a more versatile high resolution approach. For the video, both phones support 4K video recording at 60 fps, and both have optical image stabilization to keep your shoot steady. If you are into vlogging or shooting a video, both devices perform real well. Battery and charging. Battery life is a crucial for the many of us. So let's see how these phones stack up. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with the 5000 mAh battery, and while it is not the largest on the market, Google optimization with the Tensor chip ensure efficient battery usage. You can expect a full day use with the regular task, and a fast charging at the 30W means you can top up the quality. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has a large 5000 mAh battery with the high power display and additional features. It required a bit more juice. Fortunately, it supports 45W fast charging, so you will get a quicker charger for 0.100%. In terms of battery life, both devices should last you thought a full day with the moderate use, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra does have a slight edge in fast charging speed. Software experience. Moving on to software, this is where the two phones really diverge. The Pixel 9 Pro XL run on pure Android with the Android 15, offering a clean, bloater-free experience. You get the latest update directly from Google, and there are exclusive features like cell screening and Google Assistant. Google Material You design allow for greater customization of the UI, and deep integration with the Google services make it a best choice for anyone already embedded in the Google ecosystem. One of the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra run out of One UI 6, which is based on Android 15. Samsung interface add a lot of extra features, including Samsung Desk-like experience or Samsung Own app for productivity. Samsung is a bit more feature-rich, but might find the added blowater a bit much. Still, it's more customizable experience with a lot of options. So, which one should you choose? Both the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra are incredible devices, and really come down to your personal preferences. If you are prefer more refined design, superior AI feature, and a pure Android experience, XL, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in the way to go. But if you want to cutting edge tech with the massive display, top tier zoom, and faster charging, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the winner. Let's you know in the comments which phone you think in the best fit for you. Don't forget like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more comparison and review. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.